Ever wonder what gets stuck in traffic more than you on a Friday night? No, not your pizza delivery, although that can be rough. I'm talking about your Bitcoin transfer. You hit send, see the confirmation, and then, crickets. Is your Bitcoin on a wild goose chase across the internet? Did it get lost in the digital Bermuda Triangle? Fear not, crypto comrades. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Cash App and Bitcoin transfers. We'll crack the code on how long it actually takes to receive your Bitcoin and what factors can slow things down. Buckle up, because we're about to become Bitcoin transfer ninjas. Now, Cash App is a popular platform for buying, selling, and yes, receiving Bitcoin. It's convenient, user-friendly, and lets you be your own Bitcoin boss. But like any good journey, there can be a few bumps in the road. The key culprit behind a slow Bitcoin transfer? The Bitcoin blockchain itself. Imagine it as a giant public ledger recording every single Bitcoin transaction ever made. Every time you send Bitcoin, it needs to be verified and added to this ever-growing book. Think of it like rush hour at the DMV, but with powerful computers instead of hangry people. The more transactions there are, the longer the line gets, and the slower things move. So, during peak Bitcoin usage times, you might experience a bit of a wait. But that's not the only factor. Cash App itself can also play a role in transfer speeds. They offer different withdrawal speeds, standard, rush, and priority, with varying fees. Standard is free, but it can take several hours for the transaction to be confirmed on the blockchain. Rush and priority get you there faster, but they come with a price tag. Here's the good news. Cash App also uses something called the Lightning Network for instant, free Bitcoin transfers between Cash App users. Think of it as a special express lane for your Bitcoin. It's blazing fast and doesn't clog up the main blockchain. So, how long will it actually take to receive your Bitcoin on Cash App? It depends. Here's a quick cheat sheet. Standard withdrawal, free, but can take several hours. Think Netflix and chill, not instant noodles. Rush withdrawal, faster than standard, but with a fee. Think microwave ramen, not a gourmet meal. Priority withdrawal, fastest option, but with the highest fee. Think restaurant delivery, because you're hangry. Lightning Network transfer, instant and free for transfers between Cash App users. Think teleportation, because it's mind-blowing. Now, remember, these are just estimates. The actual time can vary depending on network congestion and Cash App's internal processing. Here are some bonus tips to keep your Bitcoin transfers smooth sailing. Avoid peak transaction times. Weekends and evenings tend to be busier on the Bitcoin network. If you're not in a rush, consider sending your Bitcoin during off-peak hours. Double-check your address. A typo in your Bitcoin address is a recipe for disaster. Make sure you're sending it to the correct address before hitting confirm. Be patient. While instant transfers are tempting, sometimes a little wait is unavoidable. Remember, the Bitcoin network is secure for a reason, and that takes some time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy Bitcoin adventures.